Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, May 22nd. Greetings from Rimini, Italy, and I also want to thank everyone who came up to say hi today. I really appreciate that. It really helps make my trip special. Let's move on and take a look at what's going on with the NASDAQ market. And what we can see is some strength. We had some soft economic numbers come out. People feel that the Fed's going to be deferring this interest rate change. And we're also going to have Yellen speaking tomorrow regarding Fed action. I don't see anything new coming out of that. But what do we look for? I look for continuation going into the weekend, as you and I have talked about before. But when it comes to these currencies, we can see that the euro here did firm up a bit and that it tried to rally, but it backed off from that. But it did trade above this bullish level. And the difference between the bearish and bullish level in the euro is $2,187.50 per contract. Over here in the Swissy, the difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $2,250. This line right here should be a red line. And what else? Oh, let's talk about our friend, the British pound. It also traded above its bullish level, and the difference here is $625 per contract. I do look for these currencies to follow through, though, in today's session. I think the dollar is going to remain weaker. And let's move on over to interest rates. The 10-year notes did firm up. I don't trust this move, actually. I'm looking for a market to go sideways to lower in Friday's action. Gold, on the other hand, the sideways move is what we are looking for, and that's what we have right here. I'm looking for more of the same. Copper did trade above its bullish level, and the difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $1,000 per contract. I'm looking for a slightly higher move on Friday, but not a dramatic move in that market. Crude oil, on the other hand, did firm up as the dollar got weaker. It's a logical move, and again, I don't have a lot of confidence in its ability to maintain the kind of momentum that you're seeing here. So I'm looking for a quiet day on Friday for crude oil. And if we take a look at the grains, if we look at soybeans, unchanged type move is what we're looking for. We have that kind of behavior. I think right now we need to be cautious. This is setting up like a market that wants to go higher, even though we do have a bearish close. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.